Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous class, we solved the problems on integral. Today, let us solve the problems on chapter 7, integrals. So for this chapter, total mark is 22. 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark question is 2, then 3 mark question is 2, then 5 mark question is 1, then 6 mark question is 1. So this is the total marks is 22. So I already discussed the integral calculus. So let us solve the problems. Find the antiderivative. Find the antiderivative or integral of the following functions. Okay, you have to integrate. So let us take the first problem in this. So let us take the first problem here. The first problem is 3x square plus 4x cube. 3x square plus 4x cube. So he has given using the method of inspection. Okay, so using the method of inspection. So if you let us first integrate, so integration of 3x square plus 4x cube with respect to x. We know the integration of x to the power of n. X to the power of n integration is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. If you integrate this one, 3x cube by 3 plus 4x to the power of 4 by 4 plus c, then x cube plus x to the power of 4 plus c. 4 plus c. Okay. So inspection method means, so we have integrated this one. So we got this one. Okay. So inspection method means first we have to differentiate this one, what he has given. Okay. So first we have to integrate. If you integrate this one, we are getting this one. Okay. So if you differentiation of x cube plus x to the power of 4. So if the differentiation of this is 3x square, means differentiation of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, then if you differentiate this means 3x square plus 4x cube. So this is the differentiation. So we got, okay, so we got the differentiation of this. So we say this antiderivative or integration means, so therefore, so 3x square plus 4x cube, therefore an integral or antiderivative of 3x square plus 4x cube is x cube plus x to the power of 4. Okay, so differentiation of what you integrate, you have got the answer. If you differentiate this one, you are getting this. So the anti-integral of this is this one. Okay, so it's called the inspection method. In this method, so we can directly integrate. Okay, the integration of this is, so the integration of this is 3x square plus 4x cube is 3x cube by 3 plus 4x to the power of 4, then x cube plus x to the power of 4. This is the antiderivative of 3x square plus 4x cube. Okay, Take down the next problem. So we have already discussed these problems in the previous classes. So but here the word he has given in this antiderivative. Antiderivative is nothing but the integral or integration. Okay. So let us solve the next problem here. Second one, cos 2x he has given. So integration of cos 2x with respect to x. Okay. So integration of cos 2x is, so integration of cos is sin x. Okay. Sin x means in the place of x here 2x is there, so again divide by 2 plus c. So this is the integration of cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2 plus c. We can write here what we can write. So therefore an antiderivative of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c. So this is the antiderivative of cos 2x. Okay. So let us go for the next one. Next problem. So here 1 by x. So integration of 1 by x we know. We can write directly integration of 1 by x is log x plus c. Okay, log x plus c. Take down the next question. Okay. Find the, or let us solve this one first. Okay. So here again, next problem, fourth problem, cos 3x or sin 2x. Sin 2x means integration of sin 2x dx. Sin integration is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c, because with x there is 2, so we have to divide from 2. Then again next problem is, so antiderivative, therefore antiderivative of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. The next problem is e to the power of 2x. So integration of e to the power of 2x dx is equal to, so we know that e to the power of x integration is e to the power of x, here 2 is there with x, so integration is e to the power of 2x by 2 plus c. Therefore the antiderivative of e to the power of 2x is e to the power of 2x by 2 plus c. Okay, so let us solve the next type of problems. Find the integral find the integral of the following. Okay, so let us take the first one, integration of x cube minus 1 by x square dx. Okay, we have to integrate this one. In this integration there is no quotient rule, so let us first separate the LCM. X cube minus 1 by x square he has given, so let us separate it. X cube by x square minus 1 by x square, then dx, then we can cancel this, so x minus 1 by x square dx. So we know the integration of x to the power of n. So integration of x to the power of n means x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So then integration of 1 by x to the power of n dx means minus n by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, 1 by x to the power of n means minus 1 by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is the formula. So let us apply, or we can use this formula only. So here, so x integration is x square by 2 minus integration of 1 by x square means minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus c. Then we can write x square by 2 plus minus into minus plus here 1 into x to the power of 1 plus c. Then x square by 2 plus 1 by x plus c. Okay. Or we can solve like this for this question. Or you can write x minus 1 by x square dx. This can be written as x integral of x minus x to the power of minus 2 dx. Now it is in the form of x to the power of n. So x square by 2 minus x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Then x square by 2 minus x to the power of minus 1 by minus 1 plus c, and minus get cancelled. Then we can write it as x square by 2 plus x to the power of minus 1 plus c, or x square by 2 plus 1 by x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Take down the next problem. Let us take the next problem. Integral of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. Okay. So here x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 is there. So here let us take x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. So if you integrate by using this formula x to the power of n, dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So then, so x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1, then integration of x is, 1 is x. So integration of 1 is x plus c. Then if you take LCM, 3, 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 3 plus x plus c, then we can write it as x to the power of 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus c plus x plus c. Then again, if you take to the numerator, 3 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 3 plus x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the next problem. Integration of x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2e to the power of x minus 1 by x dx. Okay, so he has given x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2e to the power of x minus 1 by x dx. So integration of this means you have to apply the formula integral of integration of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Then if you apply x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 is constant, integration of e to the power of x e to the power of x 1 by x integration is log x plus c. Then x to the power of LCM is 2, 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 2 plus 2 e to the power of x minus log x plus c. Then x to the power of 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 2 e to the power of x minus log x plus c. Then then we can shift the 2 to the numerator, 2 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 2 e to the power of x minus log x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Let us solve the problems. Take down the next type of problem on trigonometric functions. Integration of sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, so integration of sin x is, we know the integration of sin x integration is minus cos x, then cos x integration is sin x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let us go for the next type problem, second one. So integration of cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x dx. If you multiply cosecant into cosecant square x, then plus cosecant x into cot x dx. Then integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Then cosecant x into cot x integration is minus cosecant x plus c. So we already discussed the problems in the previous classes. Okay, so let us go for the next problem. The next problem is integral of 1 minus sin x by cos square x dx. Okay, so we have to integrate this one. So let us separate the LCM first. So if you separate it, 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x dx. Okay, then so again we know that trigonometric functions 1 by cos x can be written as secant x. Okay, we can write it as secant square x minus, here you can split this 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x. Okay, again sin x by cos x can be written as tan x. Okay, then secant square x minus secant x into tan x. So now we know the integration of this. Secant square integration is tan x, then secant into tan x integration is secant x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, so these are the problems we have solved now. Before that we have solved in the previous classes. So take down the assignment questions for the antiderivative and also integrals. Okay, find the antiderivative or integral. Okay, so first one is cos 3x, then second one is ax plus b whole square, then third one is sine 2x minus 4 e to the power of 3x. Okay, then find the integral of the following. Okay, so take down the first one. Integration of 4 e to the power of 3x plus 1 dx. Then second one, integral of ax square of 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Then third one, ax square plus bx plus c. Then fourth one, 2x square plus e to the power of x dx. Then fifth one, root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx. Then sixth one, x cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square dx. Then next seventh one, integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x dx. Then eighth one, integral of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 dx. Then ninth one, integral of 1 minus x root x dx. Then tenth one, root x 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. Then 11th one, 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power of x dx. Then 12th one, 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x dx. Then next one, integration of secant x into secant x plus tan x dx. The next problem is secant square x by cosecant square x dx. Then the last problem, 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. So these are the 15 problems you have to solve as an assignment. Okay.